When it comes to online business, a hot topic always seems to be passive income. Now, according to reports, the average American income per person is about $100 per day. So earned income, the average person brings in $100 every single day. But that's no fun, because who likes working to earn their income? I mean, it's a lot more fun when you can sit back, relax, sit on the beach, and earn you some nice passive income. But when it comes to earning passive income, most people think, hey, I need money to earn passive income. How can I actually make money without working, without having money to make me money? That's a great point, because most of the people that preach passive income talk about real estate, talk about investing in stocks, talk about having all this money, make your money work for you, cash is trash, whatever it might be. It's a lot easier said than done when going out to create passive income when you have a ton of cash. But what about the people, like I said, the average American who's earning only $100 per day? How can they actually go out and create passive income without an abundance of money to begin with? And that is why I'm creating this video here today. The goal for everyone watching this video, as you've seen from the title, is to make $100 per day passively without having to work, do active working activities. No one likes to work. I mean, who likes to work? So I want to give you guys some actual ways that you guys can go about creating passive income, getting up to that $100 per day threshold. I've been able to do it myself starting out at a very young age. And I want to give you guys some strategies, some ways you can actually go ahead and do this without having a ton of money to get started. Now, the first way I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 per day in passive income is doing something that I actually do and has allowed me to achieve that $100 per day in passive income. And yeah, you guessed it, you're watching it right now, and that one thing is YouTube. Garrett, how in the heck can I actually make passive income on YouTube? I don't have a following. I've never done YouTube. I've never made videos. How can I actually go onto YouTube and start creating passive income? I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. But good news for you, there's actually a few different ways, especially as a beginner, that you can start making passive income today, okay? And what this is gonna do, it's gonna take some upfront work, right? Everything that creates passive income in the future takes work up front. So getting started on YouTube posting content, you're gonna be putting in the work up front to make that passive income in the long run down the road. So there are 4 ways that I like to earn passive income here on YouTube, and I'm gonna show you each and every way, the most effective ways for when getting started, and then as you scale your YouTube channel, how you can start incorporating more and more ways of earning that additional passive income. So the first and easiest way for a beginner to actually get started in making passive income here on YouTube is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially where you're recommending a product, maybe a service, and if someone clicks your link, let's say here on a YouTube video, like down in the description below, you can see I have links posted. If someone clicks that link, goes off of YouTube onto a website, and purchases a product or a service, that link is actually tracked back to you. And when they go ahead and make that purchase, you are going to earn a commission for it. Now, there's a ton of different ways. If you go on just about almost every single website, they have affiliate programs. If you go on Amazon, Best Buy, I believe Walmart has an affiliate program. If there's different software services you might use, maybe you love a certain supplement company, whatever it may be, you can always reach out or just go on their website, and most of them have a way for you guys to sign up for an affiliate account. And the great thing about this, guys, is you don't have to have any expertise in anything. You can simply post videos of products you already use, like let's say a camera, like the camera I'm using here. I can make a review on this camera, right? Go onto Amazon, get an affiliate link, and promote the camera equipment I'm using. And if you, as a viewer, go ahead and purchase through my link, I'm gonna make an affiliate commission. So this is by far the easiest way to get started with making passive income, because once you create, let's say, a camera review or maybe a food review, a supplement review, whatever it might be, in the future, as your video gets more and more views, you've already put in the work 3-4 months ago, but that video is going to continue to get more and more views in the future and hopefully start earning you affiliate commissions. Now, another great way for you to actually make affiliate commissions by doing blog posts, right? So oftentimes you'll see, if you're searching up for a certain product on Google, there's like these little blog posts kind of reviewing this product versus that product, giving you their opinions. Those are all bloggers that are doing it to make affiliate commissions, right? If you see, go look up supplement reviews on whey protein, right? There'll be a website, They'll say the top 10 best whey proteins. They'll give you a brief description on how each and every one works. And below each one, they'll have a link to most likely Amazon or the actual supplement website. Affiliate commissions just don't start on YouTube. There's ways to branch out. You can start a blog, you can start an email list. There's just so many ways to get traffic in through your YouTube channel that can go off and produce you passive income in the future. Now, the second way to earn passive income on YouTube is by ad revenue. Now, if you make videos, you oftentimes see these pop-up ads. The content creator making those videos, whoever's video you're watching, when an ad pops up, they are getting paid for it. So if you're making videos, you have to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Once you meet that threshold, you can apply to get your channel monetized. And once you get monetized, you can start making passive income on each and every one of your videos, as long as they meet YouTube's standard policies of friendly content and whatnot. But as long as you're making friendly content within the YouTube guidelines, you're gonna be making money on every single video you post. Now, this is awesome because if you make videos for years to come, each and every video, as long as it continues to even get a few views per day, a year from now, 2 years from now, that same exact video is going to be making you passive income, right? So we put in the work up front, right? We create the video, and once it's published, guys, you pretty much sit back and you make money. And you know, it sounds pretty awesome, right? Sitting on the beach, making these cool YouTube videos, got all this money coming in. It's easier said than done, but I've been able to actually make $9,000 from a single video I posted over a year ago. I'll throw up some screenshots here. And this video consistently made me at least, 15, 20 to 30 bucks per day over a year's period. And I don't even have 20,000 subscribers. And over the lifetime of this video, it's continued paying me, $10, $15, $20 per day. And it's actually made me almost about $10,000 from one single video over the last couple years. So, every single month I'm getting a check for a few $100s just from this single video. So it just goes to show you the power of once you get a video that gains traction, it can make you money for a pretty substantial amount of time without you doing anything. And the third way to make money on YouTube is by selling your own programs. Maybe you're into fitness, maybe you're into cooking, whatever it is, you want to base your channel around what you love to do, what you kind of have experience doing, and something that's fun. So one, you enjoy making the content, but two, you have a way to monetize that content, right? So if you're good at cooking, you can make cooking tutorials and make a cookbook, right? Where it has all your cool recipes and things of that nature. Maybe sell it for 30, 40, 50 bucks. And once you make that cookbook, you just post it as a link under all your videos, and you can continue to sell it for as long as you want. Maybe you're into fitness, you want to do fitness workout videos. You can get a fitness program put together, a weightlifting program, maybe a nutrition plan, and you can sell those here on your YouTube channel and make money. And there's just a lot of opportunity for whatever it might be. I've seen people sell cookbooks, how to make money online, fitness programs, hunting guides, all different types of stuff, survival guides. There's just so many different ways to monetize information here on YouTube that if you have anything that you're passionate about or anything of that nature, you can create a guide, a course, whatever it might be, an ebook, and sell that and earn passive income after it's created and after you just link it under all your videos. Okay guys, and the fourth and final most popular way people make money on YouTube is by selling merch, right? Just clothing. Maybe, like I said, maybe you're a video game player and you just start designing all these cool video game meme shirts or whatever it might be. A lot of the famous YouTubers or just even low-scale YouTubers can make a very good amount of money just selling merch. Now, it has to be cool merch, it has to be interesting merch, it has to be unique merch. Selling shirts, phone cases, mugs, whatever it might be, you can make money doing it. And again, like I said, there's ways to kind of automate this, right? Like with Teespring, you can hook up a Teespring account to your YouTube account, and if someone orders those actual merchandise things you have, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a mug, a phone case, whatever it might be, once they order it, Teespring will then go print that shirt, sweatshirt, whatever it might be off and go ship it off to whoever ordered it. So it's not like you're going and actually making these products, ordering these products. All you have to do is make the t-shirt designs, make the designs for any of the products you want to sell, link them to your YouTube channel, and if people buy them, you're gonna make a commission. Now, if I haven't convinced you to actually start a YouTube channel, I don't know why you're not doing it. I think it's one of the best ways to start as a beginner with no money, start putting out content and start building a catalog of videos, content, things of that nature that have the power to earn you passive income 12 months, 24 months, 36 months down the road. Now, the second way I'm going to tell you guys how to make passive incomes is by investing in the stock market. Now, I'm not a pro, don't take any stock market advice from me, go seek professional help, but stock market investing is by far one of the easiest ways, even with a low amount of money, to start earning a little bit of passive income. There's a few different ways of actually investing in the stock market. There's mutual funds, there's Roth IRAs, there's 401ks. Now these are traditional types of investments where you just put money away every single month. It tends to grow, compound interest over a long period of time. Now there's also stocks you can invest in that pay dividends. Now most of these stocks pay dividends every single quarter, so 4 times a year, whether it's 2%, 3%, 5%, 7%, whatever it might be. Again, do your research. You can invest in stocks that will pay you out passive income about 4 times a year, like I said, and while it's paying you those dividends each and every quarter, it's actually growing or hopefully appreciating in value over the long term. So you're kind of getting a double whammy, double bang for your buck, right? You're getting dividends paid out, so there's your little bit of cash flow. Now, it's not going to be a ton because I'm assuming most people don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest to where it would actually make it like a good amount of money. But like I said, you're going to be getting a little bit of cash flow from that, and also your investment is going to be appreciating in value over the long term, which should be everyone's goal. And also, guys, don't forget you can invest in bonds. Now, bonds typically pay a less interest rate depending on which type of bonds you buy. They're more of like a secure type of investment. A lot of financial advisors recommend them to people with money, but if you have a lot of money, you know, bonds can be a great way to protect your money, earn some interest every month, get that nice little check drip from your money every month. But bonds, like I said, if you don't have any money, it's probably not the best option for you. But if you are someone who's sitting on a lot of cash, you might want to look into some bonds. Some can pay as high as 7-8%, some pay 2-3%, 1%. Just depends. I'd recommend talking to a professional. But I think everyone should be investing for their future, regardless of it's going to pay you passive income now. Like myself, I have a Roth IRA account. I tend to dabble with some personal stock investments on different platforms, but I think over the long term, it's more of a long-term play in the stock market. You're investing over time, you're getting compound interest, and when you're 65, it's gonna pay you that passive income every single month. But like I said, there's still opportunities to make some money in the short term. Now, the last and final way, which might be the actual easiest out of everything I've told you in this video, and that is actually renting out a room on Airbnb. Okay, so if you have a house, an apartment, whatever it might be, you can actually rent out your room to random people on Airbnb coming in town looking for a place to stay. And I actually have a cousin who does this, and he actually gets 23 to 24 nights out of the month booked for about $70 a night just for a single bedroom. So if you do the math on that, he's making an extra, $1,500, $1,600 a month just kind of listing an empty room on Airbnb and having someone come and stay. But then again, you don't know who's staying in your house. Yeah, if you have, an extra room in your house, maybe you got an air-conditioned garage, you can set up a little oasis getaway for someone on Airbnb. You can go and rent out that extra space in your home and start earning some passive income that way. And it's actually a great way to, if you have a mortgage, whatever it might be, pay down your mortgage quicker, earn some cash flow, earn some extra income. Again, if you have an extra room, it doesn't hurt as long as you're comfortable with random people that are not Santa Claus coming into your home. And you're not gonna just start earning passive income out of nowhere unless you have a lot of money to, go throw out some real estate, go buy some stocks that pay dividends, whatever it might be. But I'm assuming most of you are starting from zero. So everything I mentioned in this video are things you guys can start doing today to start making some passive income. Now, it might not be significant at first, but if you stay consistent, you put in the work, you keep uploading content, you keep investing a little bit every single month, you're gonna be on your way to earning that $100 per day in passive income. Now, if you enjoyed the content you've seen today, please hit that subscribe button. I make business content here on my YouTube channel every single week, so I'd love to have you as a part of the family. But other than that, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.